Geneva Magnus, how you feeling, honey? The Big Mama wanted to take a moment and, well, speak to you, 'cause I know you feel me. You know what I'm saying about the blues and all. I see you a young upstart, and honey, I'm a showgirl. I've been a showgirl for a long time. I've been performing since you was climbing up your mama's drapes. And I love a lot of old blues. I guess you'd call them the monuments. The monuments to blues justice, honey. Sometimes I listen to some Katie Webster or some Coco or some Bessie Smith and go on, and I think, I get sad. I think all the greats is gone. Then I remember you. I remember the first time I heard your voice and I said, well, somebody out there keeping it alive, even for showgirl like me. Now wait a minute, I see you checking out all this. My gown, you cannot have it, you cannot borrow it, okay? Let's be clear, as in crystal. I carry a box cutter, honey. I will cut a bitch. Okay, we clear, we good. You feel me, honey? You know, when you did first time many years ago, you were never mine. Well, it broke my big heart in 1,000 shattered pieces. But I glued it all back together. I listened to it again when my friend married his partner of 25 years. Yes, gay folk like the blues too, honey. Do you know that? Okay, let's go forward with that now. Well, they played that song at their wedding. Now I know it seemed odd to me, quite frankly. But that's how much they love it. That's how much they love your voice. You keep bringing them blues alive, honey, and old show gals like me, we're gonna keep listening. So this is Big Mama, and listen, the boa, the ice, the earring, all mine, bitch. You cannot have it. I know you want it, but you can't have it. I mean, we like you, but we don't like you like that. You know what I'm saying? This is all mine, honey. Bye-bye now. Hey, wait. Do midnight. Our old friend for many years, Alison Moyet, did it with Yes in the 80s, and then she do a solo now. You made to sing that song, honey. You listen to it, midnight. Alison Moyet. We love you. We just love you, Miss Magnus. You sing the blues. I was thinking at first, 'cause maybe your heart was broken, and then I realized in school they called you Vagina Magnus. However you got to where you is, it don't matter. No, it don't. It only matter where you end up. Bye-bye now, honey.